Have you ever created a content, like you sat down and created a content like for hours or for minutes, and then when you now want to, edit that content, you realize that nothing was recording? Hey, God of Israel. So one of my fellow content creators, Ogom series, she posted a video saying that put your phone on ringing, so you know when your phone is ringing, because once your phone is ringing, especially when you're using the back camera, the recording will stop. I remember I had a call. I had no idea that my recording had stopped recording. Like everything from the packing of the food and everything did not just record. Can you see me see wahala today? Plus the fact that I woke up cranky because we did not have light throughout the night. I don't know what's happening in Nigeria. Like, I don't know. Plus this no recording of content. What is this? Like today was just so chaotic for me. So today we took beans and potato pottage with fried mackerel fish. We took watermelon. We took cucumbers for fruits, watermelon and cucumbers for fruits. We took popcorn, which I added a little bit of milk, and pure bliss biscuits and peanuts for snacks. And guys, we packed up their food in their lunch boxes and we are off to school. Thanks for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I will change my editing settings. Hey God, wahala. Today was just so chaotic. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Nothing else goes wrong, we might have just enough time to ice the cake before the contest ends.
Stand up, you are late. What's that?
Sorry, Mr. Porter.
What
I
is
tripped
that?
over something. My
Size
car's
4
in
of
front.
Very proper in the tea now.
Awesome.
Stand
Looks
up.
fantastic.
Good enough to eat, but something's missing.
Wait down. Oh.
The slide. There's no slide.
We don't have time to make one. We have to get the cake to City Hall right now.
Rocky.
Let's get this cake loaded.
You got it. Okay, Rocky. We're always like to switch a goal when you...
Party Pops, no time to leaving that for a surprise. Okay, the cake work right.
Only twins.
I'll have to start over again. Take in time for the contest.
I know how.
Save the day.
Serviette.
I help. Don't worry, Mr. Porter. No cake is too big, no cup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout.
He's not even looking at you. Wait now.
Let's start with my
He's not sure. Okay, let me shift the camera here. Bring it out now. You finish your water. You did not eat. You ate your popcorn. Show it to the camera.
Okay. I had to eat my biscuits.
You want to eat your biscuit now?
Yes.
Finished your beans. Good job. You did not finish your peanuts. Good job. Finish your juice. You finished this one. Good job.
Open it for me, please.
JJ, you want to eat? JJ, you want to eat?
Where's my beef? Where's my beef?
You want your beef?
Yes.
Yeah, JJ, take. Oh, sorry. Mama, quick and give JJ. Eat. Fortune, I thought you said this boy ate today. So why is he still looking for food? Jaden, this is how Jaden did. Jaden finished his water. Am I sure whether this water bottle is enough for them, sir? Finish his juice.
It remains, so look, we're coming back.
Okay.
Okay.
Jaden will not really eat the popcorn. Okay, Jaden, your biscuit will remain. So, has he not drank the juice? Which one is he calling juice? Juice. You want your juice, Jaden? Finish his food. You want to eat? Fortune, bring food for him to eat.
Hi.
This is how they did. They all finished their food.
On the TV.
Okay. So yeah.